Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about why learning English is important. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It helps us communicate with people from different countries and builds our confidence. Learning English can also create better job opportunities, help us travel, and make it easier to use the internet. Many books, websites, and courses are available in English, so we can learn new skills every day. At first, speaking English may seem difficult, and we may make mistakes, but mistakes are a natural part of learning. The more we practice, the more confident we become. I try to learn new words every day, watch English videos, and practice speaking whenever I can. These small habits help me improve step by step. In conclusion, English is a valuable skill that can change our future. With patience, consistency, and daily practice, anyone can become a confident English speaker. Thank you for listening.